Welcome to a series of 100 Python tips for beginner. Tip 11. End and sep arguments of a print statement. Here we have two print statements to print welcome to and IT core. If I run this code, the two sentences will be printed in two separated lines. If I want to print these two sentences just in the same line, here print statements have an argument called end, and the default value of this argument is new line. Here I will give it a new value which is empty string. Now run the code again and see the two sentences print at the same line, but there is no space between them. I can also give a value as space, then the two sentences will be separated by space. Also, print statement has sep arguments, which stands for separation. For example, if I have print statements with different variables, for example, IT and also core. If I run the code again, you can see now IT core print at the same line without separated by any character. To separate variables with a specific character, you can give sep argument in print statements a value which is the character that you want to separate variables by it. For example, here, comma. Now, if I run the code again, the two variables will be separated by comma. It can be separated by any character you like, then you can see here. That's it. This tip number 11, and we still have 89 tips. Like and subscribe to receive all our videos as we upload videos all the time. You can find other tips in the description down below. And as usual, I hope to see you again.